Welcome to the installation video for the Eroute 6003B and 6003B XL electric wheelchair. First, unpack all the equipment from the box together with the wheelchair. Raise the backrest and attach the joystick to the holder. The wheelchair comes with a manual, charger, tightening, or repair kit and battery. In the back pocket, you will find a remote control, which is used for positioning the wheelchair. Next, attach the footrests and connect them with the cable. Now connect the battery to the wheelchair using the red connector. Next, connect the black cable that powers the wheelchair positioning to the battery. Attach the upper head restraint. Velcro the pads to the wheelchair structure. Charging the wheelchair is easy. You can charge it directly on the wheelchair, or you can charge only the battery outside the wheelchair. The wheelchair is now ready for use. You can also use it in manual mode. The positioning of the wheelchair can be adjusted using the remote control, which shows the different parts of the wheelchair. As soon as you hold the appropriate button, the appropriate part will start to either raise or lower. On the wheelchair joystick, you will find the plus and buttons, which are used to adjust the sensitivity of the control, as well as the horn, or to turn off voice alerts. The wheelchair is equipped with a handbrake. In the video, you can see the procedure for unfolding the wheelchair.